Hello there, my name is Mauro Sicard from Inbound Elements, and today I'm going to show you how our HubSpot email templates work. Okay, so one of our most popular products is our HubSpot email templates. This is because we have a collection of over 30 templates that are completely custom designed to look amazing and on all devices. And really, our clients like them a lot. This is probably one of our most popular products, and sometimes there's certain confusions of how this actually works and what is kind of the process that you should follow to actually use them. So let me explain. Okay, so let's say that you buy our templates. When you buy our templates, we will go ahead and we will send you the templates directly to your HubSpot account in less than 24 business hours. It will be super fast. You will have complete access to the email templates. Once you have them, you can go here into your email or marketing email on HubSpot, and you will be able to just click create email. You can click regular, and you will notice that you have two tabs, the drag and drop templates and the custom templates. So you need to click custom, and then you will find that you already have all the templates from Elements, okay? So you can choose any template that looks what you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to select these Elements blog newsletter version 3. By the way, you can even preview it in case you want to see like that's the one you want to use. But let's say that that's this. So in that case, you can just click create, and I will do demo video just for this quick video. You can click create email. Once you go in there, you will notice, and I will make my screen a little bigger so you can see a little better. You will notice that the template is going to be in here, and you will be able to edit things. For example, if you don't want to show this article and you want show something that it's actually from your company, you can click on this little edit element, and then you will see you have like the news in here. You can just click edit. You have the option to replace the image. You can just replace it. Then you have the text. For example, you can change that to how to record a great video about like HubSpot email templates, and that's it. You will see that you change this change in real time, and you can even change some colors and things like that. For example, this one probably you want to make that another color. You can just change it just as easy as that. And same, for example, with this read more or anything else. So all of that is pretty simple. You will see it's super simple to change things like that. In many cases, we have components that allow you to add or remove more. For example, here, maybe you want to just have two. You can literally just click delete here, and it will delete the other ones. Or for example, here on the social media, you can see that you have a lot of different social media icons. You can enable TikTok, and it will just show in there. Or maybe you are not on Twitter. You can just disable it. So in that sense, like it is very simple just to move things around. However, you will notice that you cannot actually add more elements just like this. Like these are fixed. And this is something that a lot of our clients ask us, like why this happens. And the reason is that there's no developer framework on HubSpot yet for drag and drop custom templates. This means that, well, there are like drag and drop templates. If we go back, you will see that there's indeed drag and drop templates. You will see that those drag and drop templates are very, very limited. You can like move things around, but design is really not as good, I would say. So unfortunately, HubSpot had not give us the opportunity to actually make our custom templates editable like by drag and drop. And that is a limitation for sure. But we had actually seen a way to overcome this. And that's what we're going to explain now. So let's say that you actually maybe you want two of these, or you want to move this section above. What do you need to do in order to do that? Okay, so the process is actually pretty simple. You can go here and go into design, and then you will see that you have actions. You even have an option to convert this to drag and drop. But this is in beta and it works very, very bad. So I recommend you not to do it. Probably later next year, HubSpot is going to improve on this, but it's not ready yet. But what you can actually do is you can click edit this template, and it will tell you, hey, like this is actually being used on another email. Do you want to edit this one or clone it? So I will clone it just for this demo, and I will select to use this on the same folder. Once you click clone, it will open another window, and you are right to Design Manager. And at a glance, this can look a little complicated, but it is really not very complicated. So I ask you not to be worried about it. I will open the email on my other tabs. You can actually see it. And as you can see, like we have the two previews in here. Let me just close this out. Okay. So you can see that we have pretty much the structure of the email. So for example, you can, you have like this section here that has like some H1 and some body, and this pretty much this. And then we have some section news that has like this news, and then this one, these two in here. And for example, let's say you don't want this anymore. You can just right click, you can just click delete module. And if you click preview in here, and I will open another window, you will see like that just got deleted. Just as easy as that. At the same time, and I will actually, I will just close this one. I will open the preview. There you go. Okay. So then let's say that you actually want like probably these social media icons to go up. You can just select that. You can just move it around a little bit, and maybe you want it to be here, for example, just above the text. Then you can see it just moved here. It can take a second. And in that sense, like that works very well. You can also install a plugin on Chrome or any other Chrome-based browser that is called HubX. If you search for HubX, you will see that. I will just put HubX Chrome. Okay. Okay, so it's one here. It's HubX by Niambo. If you install this, you will even have the option to copy and paste the modules, okay? For example, maybe you want this module and you want copy and paste it. You can just click in here and click copy, and then go into another place and you click paste. Paste above or paste below. I will paste it below, for example. You will see it will just refresh the page and it will paste it below, as you can see here. And the nice thing about this, the more surprising thing, is that you can copy and paste modules between emails. What I'm talking about here is that, for example, I will make this a little bigger. Okay, so for example, let's say that you have another email, for example, this newsletter blog version 1. For example, I will copy this section and I will select this module. I will copy this module. I will go back to the version 3 that I was working on, and I can click paste below. Okay, I will click paste below, and you will see that complete section from another email just got pasted below. And now I have it here. I will actually make it a little bigger because it's a little small. Okay, now I have it here. The nice thing about that is that even it can look a little complicated. Yes, you see all of these kind of code words and things like that. It is really not that hard. And you have the option to pretty much reuse all of the different sections on all our different emails on any email you want. And if you see all of our emails, you can see that we have a lot of them. So you can combine something from the webinar with the e-commerce and then with the white paper, and it can just be something super, super complicated. And super complicated, I mean that you can build something super cool, not that it's going to be complicated and code to build it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the way you can purchase our email templates and also how they actually work. And you will just be surprised at how simple it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or any follow-up assistance or just anything like that, we invite you to click get in touch in here. That is just going to go into the form, and you can just send us a message there. Or you can just write us to support@inboundelements.com. We will be more than happy to help you out. So again, this was Maurice Card from Inbound Elements, and I hope you have a great day.